Polska Skakavitsa Waterfall. A wonderful place. Extremely attractive and memorable, which you must visit. When you go to the waterfall, you pass through several villages in the Kyustendil Municipality. But before that, it is good to visit the town of Kyustendil. There is something to see in this town. This is perhaps the oldest town in Bulgaria. Visit Hisarluka and enjoy the mineral water in one of the SPA hotels. When you go to the Skakavitsa waterfall, you will pass through the villages of Kopilovtsi, Shishkovtsi and Razhdavica. In Shishkovtsi you can visit the museum of Vladimir Dimitrov, the master. When you get to Razhdavica, you should be careful not to miss the turnoff to the village of Polska Skakavitsa. There is no signpost for the village, but there is a signpost waterfall. In the video you will see some of the remarkable views that open before you. You will also see the Dragon's Cave. Why it is called that, you will find out on the spot. By car you can almost reach the path that leads to the waterfall, only about 600 to 700 meters. If you are fond of a longer hike, you can leave the car immediately after the last houses of the village and walk about 4 kilometers. In this season, May, the waterfall is remarkable and you will be completely enchanted and satisfied with your journey. Nearby is also the Shishman Fortress, 3 Towers Fortress, called by the local population. You must also visit the Church of the Assumption of the Virgin. There is an eco-trail, Church of the Assumption of the Virgin. The Shegava Canyon is also nearby. We wish you an exceptional experience.